Good morning, sir. Did you call me for some discussion?
Good morning, Mr. Rakesh. I was just thinking of one idea about the existing performance appraisal system of any organization where only a person like God decides performance of an individual based only on his observation.
That's right, sir.
How about a different situation where a collective decides on the performance of any individual and that too continuously round the year?
But how is that possible?
Well, you must be aware of the introduction of the rating system. It was introduced on 31st July 1928 issue of the newspaper named New York Daily News. The newspaper's film critic, Irene Thyrer, began grading movies on a scale of 0 to 3 stars. 3 stars meant excellent, 2 star meant good, and 1 star meant mediocre. Since then, different type of rating system emerged in different part of the world, and finally, we have arrived at the present time where, you can see, there is rating for almost everything. The concept behind the rating system is basically the customer feedback in a quantitative form. In our everyday life, be it in our working place or outside of our working place, we belong to only two categories in terms of relations between two individuals. Sometimes we are customer availing of goods or services from others, and sometimes we are provider of goods or services to others. In fact, that is one kind of basic relationship between any two individual on this planet.
I think you have a very interesting point.
And now, if we start using this basic concept for any organization in evaluating the performance of any individual employee, the evaluation has the potential to become fairer as compared to the present system where it is based on evaluation by only few people, sometimes only one.
But then, where to start from?
Look, as I told you, the relation between any two employees in any organization is not different than what it is in a society. Round the clock, they are either availing of goods or services as a customer or providing goods or services as a provider. Now, think about a situation where they rate each other after each interaction and the data gets accumulated in a centralized automated system. And at the end of a stipulated time, let's say 6 months or 1 year, we get to know the rating of each individual in terms of the quality of goods and services they offered to each other. And finally, at the end of the assessment period, we shall come to know whether better the average, better the performance of any organization.
But sir, what if a cartel is formed?
Well, Rakesh, we are forgetting one thing. It is a mutual assessment. You give bad, you get bad. As far as the cartel is concerned, there could be issues when majority numbers target minority numbers. Well, we can introduce a compulsory reason for assessing someone extremely bad or extremely good. There could be various other bottlenecks too. We shall know about them when we face them.
That seems fair, sir.